This is the center console of the 2017 to 2020 BMW X3 X4 G01 G02 with the EVO system. Now let's show you how to remove the OEM screen and head unit. Remove the air vent panel and unplug the cables. Remove the air conditioner panel and unplug the cables. Remove the screws securing the OEM head unit and the OEM screen. Remove the OEM screen and unplug the Love's cable. Remove the OEM head unit. Unplug the power cable. If there is a fiber optic cable, it needs to be moved to the new wiring harness. Fiber optic cable installation. Unplug the original power cable from the head unit. Remove the original optical fiber cable. Connect the male connector of the original power cable to the female connector of the new power cable. Then connect the male connector of the new power cable to the female connector of the original car host power supply. Please find the correct position of the optical fiber cable interface on the new power connector. Finally, plug the optical fiber cable to the new harness.